Casey, I've been really stressed lately. I've got so much on my plate with school and work. It's starting to weigh me down. I just feel stuck. I hear you, Alex. It sounds like you need to break down your tasks to manage them better. When everything's piled up, it's overwhelming. You're right. It's just hard to see where to begin. My classes are demanding and my part-time job doesn't leave much free time. How about you lay out all your assignments and shifts for the next month? We can then figure out a schedule that gives you enough time for both without burning out. That sounds like a good plan. I also think I need to cut back on some activities, maybe skip a few social events to catch up on my studies. It's important to balance, sure. Have you thought about talking to your professors? Maybe they can give you a break on some deadlines. I hadn't considered that. I could also use some downtime. I need to set aside a night just for myself, maybe get some extra sleep or just chill. Definitely do that. Remember, it's okay to step back and recharge. Also, try to zone in on what's really important each day. Prioritize tasks so you're not just busy, but productive. Thanks, Casey. This chat has really helped me lighten the load a bit. I guess talking it out helps put things into perspective. Anytime, Alex. Just take things one day at a time and you'll get through this. Let's touch base next week and see how you're doing.